Hi YouTube fam, what's going on y'all? I got my IPSY for the month of, what's this month? February? Yeah, February. And I got my BoxyCharm pop-up box. But yeah, let's just talk about some stuff, y'all. Just some stuff. Anyway, before we jump into the video, let me share some stuff that I found on Octoly. That's at Sephora, y'all. No, I was loving Skin Fix right before I left Houston when I was going to the gym, enjoying the gym. They didn't have anything for the body. It was just all face. Y'all, I got this from Octoly and Skin Fix. Let me say that. But they have now come up. The box beat up, y'all, because I've been using it with body care. This is the Skin Fix Resurfacing Glycolic Renewing Scrub. That's what it looks like. Yes, yes. Here is the packaging. It has 7% glycolic acid, 6% lactic acid, 7%, I can't read the rest, but it's glycolic and lactic acid. Double duty body peel and polish for rough, bumpy, crepey skin. Pre-shower and in-shower scrub. That's what it looks like, and let me show you what it looks like. It's not a rough, abrasive scrub at all. That's how it looks, but you can feel the little granules in it, and I like it. I like it. It don't smell like anything, and it is a clean beauty product. This is why the box didn't handle me putting it back in here trying to make it cute to show it to you guys. And it is at Sephora, along with the AAH Renewing Cream. Now I've been using this on my legs and my feet. Yes. After the shower. And y'all, this is a huge tub, really worth the money. Look how big that is. That is gigantic. Gigantic. Let me let y'all see what it looks like. And it don't smell like anything either. I guess that's, you know, the benefit of using clean products. Most of them are fragrance free. And it says that it's free from, y'all, synthetic beads, fragrance, parabens, sulfates, formaldehyde, phthalates, silicones, lanolin, glycol. It has none of that in there. These are just clean products, and it says it won Allure in 2019. I'm thinking the Skin Fix because I really like the face products that I got from them, so I was ecstatic to try the skincare product. But I just had to share these two with y'all. Check them out and let me know what y'all think about them once you do. Okay, let's do the oh wait, let me tell y'all about this too. I put this in here. I was watching Andrea Renee's video, and this is she had some face sponges, and it was DSMD Shop, and it stands for Dark Skin Makeup Daily. Never heard of them. Never heard of them. And it was some makeup sponges. I usually buy the the Beauty Blender. I think about 2 of them last year, but I always get the Sonia Kashuk ones. And so I think she loves those Sonia Kashuk. She do little Sonia Kashuk sponges as well. But she said these were just as good, and they were like 3 for $18 or something, and that's cheaper than the Sonia Kashuk sponge. So, you know, reach out and support a sister. People struggling. And it's a black-owned business, and I'm here to support, you know. And they weren't that expensive. So I got 3 of them. I haven't used them yet, y'all, so I can't tell you whether they're good or do I love them, but I will let you guys know. I'm going to start back dabbling in makeup over here. But y'all, between school and work, girl, time be about this short, this limited. It be limited. That's why I be in and out of here, y'all. Okay, now I got that shared with you guys. The next thing I got is my Boxy pop-up items. Now, I do remember one thing that I got, and that was the Deep Sweep. This is at Sephora as well, but it was on the Boxy pop-up for $12, and I did just get one in my BoxyCharm subscription box that I used, and I ordered another one. I like it, so I got this one. And then I ordered this one in the pop-up shop because I didn't know it would be there. I just didn't, or I wouldn't have paid so full a price for what some Boxy pop-up. It's good for some stuff, but it takes so long to get it that it don't make sense. But anyway, now I got 2 of these, and these deep sweet toners with BHAs by Pharmacy. My favorite was the Sunday Riley, but I've kind of switched over to this Pharmacy toner now, and I will keep you guys updated. The next thing I got in here, oh yeah, was another one of these Tarte pencils. I got this in a BoxyCharm box, and I have paid full price for these Tarte a double-ended eyeliner several times. This is the one that came in my box, and this is the one that I ordered from Popup. So yeah, those are good liners. If you didn't get them a chance to get them from Popup, y'all should check them out in Ulta. I have bought them a few times. And the last thing that I got in the Popup box is this by Gino makeup holder. And I thought this was so cute, y'all. I ordered me one of those impression landies so I can clean up this room of mine because it's a hot mess. So I've been kind of collecting these. I have one of these face, eyes, and lips. That's by e.l.f. But it's old, it's black, it's dirty. But you can never have enough brush holders. So it's in preparation for me getting this room back like I like it. And I like this box. I probably could use this box to hold some lashes in. To hold some eye pencils in. That's why I got so much stuff. I don't ever want to throw away nothing. Now, for everybody that was here for the IPSY, I'm sorry, y'all. Y'all know I be tired of, ain't been on here talking in a while. So I be having, sometimes I just want to talk. How y'all doing? Y'all good? I hope everybody is blessed, y'all. I haven't seen any IPSY. Oh, this is cute. This is really cute. IPSY unboxings. But this is the bag for the month of February. That's cute. It's just a thin little piece of cloth. But it's cute. Let's see what we got. And I never get to pick any of my items. IPSY lets you, if y'all don't know, this is the IPSY glam bag. It's $25 a month. I'm sorry y'all, I'm talking and I forgot to tell y'all about the business. This is the glam bag and it's $25 a month. And you get to pick 3 of your items that's going to be in your bag every month. But it's a date and I don't never get the notifications. I don't remember. So it's a surprise to me. And let's see, I know this looks like my, yes it is, Complex Culture. I am collecting these brushes. I really like them. I will never be mad about them putting, because that is a brush in my, in my box. I love that brushes. Which kind of brush is this? And I've only got them from IPSY. Let me just say that. Let's complete your beauty routine. Life's complicated. Your beauty routine shouldn't be. We're making things easier on an eco-friendly product. Okay, which brush is this? Angled foundation brush. Okay. I've got the blender brushes, the buffing brushes. They dirty over there. That's why I ain't gonna show them to y'all, but I got them. And now I have a foundation brush. And these are some pretty good brushes, y'all. I'm telling you. I like these brushes. So I'm not mad at that. So far, so good. IPSY, let's see what else we're working with. I'm gonna wash my brushes. I hear y'all over there talking. The next thing I got in here is a Beauty Stat Universal C Skin Refiner. I'm really good on skincare. I got another box. So that gives me 2 boxes that I need to unbox for you guys from my what is it? Korean Beauty Skincare. I have 2 boxes, guys, from Skin Star. Beauty Stat Vitamin C, but I don't have a vitamin C. I'm out of vitamin C. So come on, pick that up. That's what it looks like. And y'all know that IPSY don't give you the card, so I don't know the price. It just says all skin, 20% vitamin C, L-ascorbic acid, brightens and retextures. So I'll be putting this on my bathroom vanity to go into rotation. I was going to say, what? A card? No. It just says February 21, 2021. And of course, there's no prices. There never is. Let's keep it moving. Ain't nothing to be sad about. What else is this? Vasaniti Brighten Up Miracle Mask. A 5-in-1 made with charcoal, turmeric, papaya, date and butter, and shea and cocoa. Okay, it's a brighten up mask. I would assume something that I could try at night. It says it softens, brightens, deep cleans, and hydrates skin without any trace of tightness or irritation. Okay. Okay, I'll put you on the side with my mask and we'll see what you do, and I'll keep you guys updated. And the next thing, you're like, oh, skincare. What is this? Octoly Whipped Moisturizing Cream for normal to dry skin. Okay, it looks like it's just a hand cream, guys. And I got a couple of these already open in my bag, but I'm just opening it to show it to you guys. Octoly. I never heard of that. Whipped moisturizing cream. Well, I'll just have a lotion for every purse. It smells like Pond's. Y'all know that Pond's cream? I used to use it for, which I just got out of it by using so much makeup. But that Pond's moisturizing cream, y'all, that's the best makeup removal ever. Instead of a moisturizer, you just take off your makeup. You won't be buying these hot things like I buy, because that Pond's works so well. I promise you, try it. Okay, I like this lotion. I like lotion that don't give you that oily, greasy feel. I still got the last one from the month before. They've been sending a lot of lotions. This is a Sealer Cream Ballet. This is just sitting here. I'm sorry. I'm off subject. Let's get to this last thing. Y'all, I just want to talk a little bit. I got this Naked Cosmetics. I never heard of Naked Cosmetics. If it's not naked, it's not natural. Okay, that's what this looks like. What is this? Lord, don't let it be a foundation, because I'm pretty sure it won't be the right shade. Okay, what is this? Oh my. Wow. Okay. It looks like this is a bunch of pigments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pigments. I did not see that coming. I did not expect this. Let's see. Yep, that's what it is. I'm wrong. It's 6 pigments. Wow. Okay. Let me touch this one. Okay, now this is something I have not used in a long while. That's this one. But you get 6 of them. I was trying to rush through it, but I thought maybe somebody might want to see them. That's this one. I'll swatch it right there. These are some nice colors though. I just haven't used pigments in so long. 1, 2, 3. I guess it's just 4. And it's this one. That's what we have. I was not expecting that. I did not see that coming. Some eyeshadow pigments. Okay. Alright. And they're from a brand called Naked Cosmetics, y'all. I guess I'll play with them and see what they do. I wish they connect. Oh, yeah, they do. I was about to say, I wish they would connect together. And they do. Just like this. Right into the bottom of the other one. Okay, that's cool. Alright, but I'm going to go ahead and leave them separate like that. Because I don't want to have to try to find something to do with the tops. And it's not 6, it's only 4. Pigments. I'm going to have to go look them up, y'all. I haven't used pigments in forever. 4 pigments from Naked Skin. And I'm going to make sure I get on there to pick my stuff. Make my choices next one. Because I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Alright, I will talk to you guys later. I hope everybody having a wonderful, blessed weekend. And I'm finna go to bed. Good night, y'all. See y'all in the next video. Bye, guys.